Guys, it's Dr. Emer, and we're doing one of my favorite MOXIFY to resurface. This is our newest 1927 wavelength laser. What is that? We're going to start. This is the most attracted to sun damage on the skin, but it also helps fine lines and wrinkles. And I love this treatment because it's very light, and also it's been shown in studies that this wavelength specifically allows you to get topical products to penetrate into the skin much more. So what does that mean? We apply Aerify right now in all of our Emerage skin products from emeragecosmetics.com. She is going to see a booster and brightening in her skin. If she had a lot of sun damage, it would be reversed more quickly, and you can see collagen is going to be more produced. Look at the little dots you guys can see here on the skin. Each one of those dots is going to exfoliate and brighten the skin. And you can't forget the hands, you guys. Why? Because this is a high rate of developing sun damage, which means the risk of skin cancer. We don't want that. So you've got to laser these areas. Face, neck, chest, and hands. All the areas exposed.
Someone said, hey, I got a question. Guys, ask your question. We'd love to hear it.
As you guys see, this is going to lift up pigmentation, which she doesn't have a ton. It's going to help remodel the collagen, okay? And it's going to help us improve the overall wrinkling. Now, we can also add fillers, which I'd rather do in the future. And we can also add skincare, which is why we're going to do the Aerify right now. We're going all the way down on the fingers, you guys. You can treat all the areas. Remember, the finger is LastPass. The fingers also can get skin cancer.
Can this be done on scars for the body?
It can, but not this specific wavelength doesn't do as well unless they're hyperpigmented. If they're deep scars, we need to go stronger with different lasers.
And guys, if you do have questions on any of your scarring, what kind of treatments we offer, you can get a consultation with us. You can send us a DM with your full name, email, and phone number. We offer laser treatments with Dr. Emer, and we do have Nisha the PA as well.
Hey guys.
So let's switch the hands. Go ahead and bring the other hand right here for me. Just switch it. Perfect. So we're going to do that same treatment here. You guys can see, look at the wrinkling. We just want to improve that. Sorry. And so we are going to work, again, same thing here. How's the pain?
Not painful at all. A little kind of a spicy feeling, but it's so fast.
Yes. It's an amazing treatment. You guys, Moxie is the newest non-ablative baby laser. What's cool about this is you can set this to very light settings where people do only 1 day of a sandpaper-like texture and just brighten the skin, like reducing pores. But you can also set it a little bit stronger, like we're doing here, where we can really improve a lot of sun damage and wrinkling.
All right.
Yes.
Someone asked us a really good question.
What are they asking?
How are you taking care of your hands after this procedure?
Oh my God. So we're applying the Aerify mask today. Show them here the Aerify. That has in it our Hyalate, which is retinol and hyaluronic acid, our High Spot, which has in it peptides and botanicals, and also our sunscreen, which is our Fusion Shield, our SPF tint, which is great. But today we're going to actually apply the mask, which has in it TCA, lactic acid, salicylic acid, and retinol, and it also has in it other skin lightening agents like niacinamide and licorice root.
All right. Is this going to work for stretch marks?
This will not work for stretch marks. We have other treatments for those, including medical tattooing. The other thing I want to tell you guys, we're also going to apply some additional peptide creams like my Emerage Skin Refit Face. And we're also going to do stem cell therapy. I love using the anti-age microneedling ampules right afterwards during the healing phase, the serum and the brightener as well. I don't know if you guys saw me last week. I was aggressively peeling from a really strong peel. I healed within days using our combination of anti-age Emerage skin treatment protocol. This next week I will be doing Moxie as well. So here we are doing the hands. And you guys can see it doesn't look like a lot's occurring, but remember, lasers deliver heat. So what is she gonna look like tomorrow? A little bit of a mitt in the hand. She's gonna be really swollen.
Someone's asking, can we do a halo on darker skin tones?
You can. We just have to set it to lighter settings, and we have to do it carefully. Halo is actually designed to be done on every skin type. Now BBL, I would be a little more cautious over a type 4, but Halo you definitely can. But I'll tell you guys something, MOXIFY was designed for every skin type.
Is it safe to combine this with microneedling and radio frequency?
Yes, it is. Again, following the right skincare protocol. All right, let's do a little up on the wrist. Perfect. So now that's done. Let's switch our hand back. Put this one down. I give you the tube back. And now we're going to apply the Aerify. So I'm going to apply it now. With the hands, I tend to not use the whole tube. So we may not need as much. Just a fine film, very light. Because remember I told you guys, this allows the product to get into the skin over 300 times more when you apply product after a 1927 wavelength laser. This will dry right onto the skin. We just need a thin film on here, on all the areas of her hands. And then we will follow her skincare protocol. We'll take pictures each day, and you guys will see the improvement here. Remember, sun protection and continued treatments are gonna make this even better. We could add some fillers if we wanted to enhance the outcomes as well for overall full hand rejuvenation. Okay, so let's switch the hands. Go ahead and switch. Perfect. We'll do the same thing again. So you guys, the other thing is, I know you guys have seen Nisha the PA doing a lot of laser treatments as well. Anytime you do a laser or a microneedling radio frequency, especially, add Aerify. It's going to enhance the results because you're going to get, this was made to be used after a procedure to just overall get an better improvement.
Someone wants to know, what is your opinion on Renuva for hands?
It works well. Again, the hand area, I tend to like filler. It's a little more predictable. I have a lot of experience with it. Renuva works well too, but is a newer treatment with less experience. So this looks perfect. Again, applying, we call this MOXIFY. This is applying the Emerage Skin Aerify Illuminating Mask immediately after we're doing the laser. Perfect. So you can see that yellowish orange tone. And then what I'm doing is I'm leaving about half of this so she can do this again in a week and in another week. She'll have enough for 1 or 2 more treatments to put on there. And then she will use at night Hyla A. This is our hyaluronic acid and our retinol. She can actually apply the hyaluronic on over the next few days as well additionally, which is Hyla B. She's going to use the High Spot, which is our anti-aging creams, botanicals and peptides. You can add Refit Face to this and enhance the results of this, as well as vitamin C. And the most important long-term plan, you guys, sun protection. When she's red this week, cover it with Fusion Shield. There's a little amount of tint and vitamin C, and also a marine extract in here that tightens the skin. So she's going to get improvement in wrinkles. Now there's other additional products we like. If you want to know about that whole protocol, EmerAgeCosmetics.com, do a consult with me, do a consult with Nisha PA, do a consult with our estheticians. So how did it feel?
Feels fine.
Great.
No problem.
So then that's it. Show
Very
both hands so people can see that after treatment, not too bad, just a little swollen. You see all these little dots on there from the MOXIFY, and her MOXIFY is going to give an amazing result here. And we'll continue treatment. We would do 2 or 3 more of these in the next couple months, and then we maintain quarterly. And that's it. So that's MOXIFY with Emerage Skin. Bye, guys. Perfect.